In this video we will learn how to make a walkthrough video in our 3D building model. First we create a polyline to show the walking path. Then we select the polyline, the viewpoint direction, the path elevation and a viewpoint name. We display the 3D view, and we create the file of the geometrical data of the building including walls, windows and doors, by using the command walk. A new window opens. We can watch the paths that we created and increase or decrease the animation speed. We can also add a background image out of the library.